my mom brought home a Robot vacuum. The cleaning efficiency of my home had improved significantly. However, through observing, I still found a serious shortage of this vacuum cleaner. When meeting corners or obstacles, the performance of the Robot vacuum seemed to be not so good. So I built my project to improve the performance of Robot vacuum in the blind zone, and the project is called an auxiliary cleaning mechanism for Robot vacuum. I established a mathematical model to quantify the area of the blind zone. The prototype of the design was realized through using SolidWorks rendering assembly and using 3D printing technology. Control logic was synthesized and the C language code was developed to control the telescopic action of the rack and pinion mechanism using the XS128 single-chip microprocessor and the wireless communication device that were available on the market. The ultrasonic modules will be used to recognize and locate the blind zone. It's time for testing. I used a couple of blocks to simulate the actual scenes of corners. And let's see what the robots will do.